Today we'll show you how to remove and install the Eco Start Stop battery in the new V-Class. To get to the battery, start by moving the passenger seat all the way forward. Then behind the seat also make room for further work. Remove the cover on the seat box. Undo this nut and remove the bracket. Then remove the hard foam cover. Remove the two nuts of the start-stop relay and then take it out of the guide. The backup battery must now be shifted to the left until the negative terminal is accessible. Now disconnect the ground wire for the backup battery. Then undo the screw at the positive terminal and take the positive cable off. Also unplug the vent hose. Observe the necessary safety precautions and you can take the backup battery out of the seat box. Perform a visual inspection. If the battery is leaking, replace it. For the reinstallation, insert the backup battery into the seat box. Connect the vent hose to the battery again. And place the positive cable on the positive terminal and tighten the screw. The remaining installation is in the reverse order.